Thank you for choosing the iSpring CW Series RV water filter system. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filter system will provide clean and refreshing drinking water in your journey for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we begin, please carefully read the precautions on the user manual. Check that all parts were included in the package that your water system arrived in. Installation. The CW series was designed as an RV water filter system. The water inlet and outlet adapter fits standard 3/4-inch GHT connectors. If you have different size fittings, you will need converters. Step 1. Unscrew all filter housings. Take out and unwrap all filters. Step 2. Insert the filters back into their housings and ensure the housing O-ring is seated correctly to prevent leaks. Step 3. Twist the housings counterclockwise onto the housing caps. Use the housing wrench to tighten the housing with another 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn. Do not over-tighten, as this can cause leaks and make future filter replacements difficult. Step 4. Connect the drinking water hose inlet to the campground faucet. A pressure regulator may be needed if the incoming water pressure exceeds 70 psi. Step 5. Install the male quick connector to the system water inlet port. Install the female quick connector to the drinking water hose outlet. Press the quick connector ring inward and connect it to the male quick connector. Step 6. Connect another water hose to the system water outlet. Turn on the campground faucet to flush the filters for at least 5 minutes or until the water is clear. Prepare a bucket to catch water if needed. Shut off the faucet when finished. Step 7. Connect the water hose outlet to the RV water inlet port. Turn on the campground faucet. Step 8. Turn on the RV faucet to purge out water and air in the pipeline. Let the water run until clear. Shut off the faucet when finished. Congratulations! Your iSpring CW Series RV water filter system installation is complete. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from the RV. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.